Hello chatterboys out there. Today in this video I'm going to be telling you guys out there about what I'm up to on my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week. It's the middle of the week, so you guys know what that means. There's only 2 more days until it's the end of the week. I hope you guys have had a great week so far. On my Monday, I spent the morning just messing around with some dress up clothes that I found while sorting out my bedroom, and it felt good to have a good dress up and just mess around. Yeah, have a lot of fun, got a few snaps and just posted those to my family group chat, and yeah, good to make a bit of a part of yourself at times. And then I had some toast and a cup of tea for my breakfast. I just listened to Michael Bublé's Christmas, love that album, probably one of my favourite Christmas albums ever. Then I was just watching a bit of TV out at the end room on my day bed, chilling, and hopefully soon when I go for my checkup from where I have my operation, it's healing well, and hopefully after a while I won't need to day bed anymore, and so I'll be able to get the table back, so I'll be able to sit and write my journal and do some more drawing stuff out there instead of having to stay with that. I'm going to miss it because I've fallen asleep on there quite a lot of times, and yeah, sorry if I keep on tripping up my words a bit today. I went to my town's Christmas live switch on last night with my mates, and I got a little bit tipsy because I let loose a bit. My mates were like, "You never drink that much." Let loose, so I had about 3 or 4 drinks, and people were like, "Oh, such a lightweight." I didn't really drink that much, so for me that was a lot, so I was a little bit tipsy. And yeah, so sorry if this vlog is a little bit all over the place. So anyway, back to it. So I went on a walk on Monday afternoon and got off 20 odd photos, had my nice big coat on. It's waterproof and it's got a fleece inside it, but you can unzip it and you can either wear the fleece or the raincoat separately, but I wanted both together because it was a bit chilly. Got back, watched the Aussie soaps, went my journal a bit, and then for tea we had these chicken dipper things with some like scallop things, like little flat potato things, which were really nice. And then my younger brother and his mates went off to the gym, and I watched the English soaps, and then finished up my journal, put it away, had a bowl cereal, and then was just watching some Doctor episodes. And then my younger brother got back from being out, and I watched the newest episode of Charmed, the reboot season. Love it. And then went to bed, and then on my Tuesday I got up and my dad had work, and then he had to go to the doctor's to check out my old brother and sister at work, and this is my younger brother, and my younger sister is at uni, and me and my mum watched some episodes of Marty Show. And then I went out on my day bed and was just listening to a bit of music and watched this Belgian teen show that I watched called What the Fuck. So it's on WTF, and it's probably supposed to nut and in the kind of like dark, definitely kind of hidden way. But yeah, it's really good, and there's a gay couple in that I ship, and they're just so good, so adorable. And it's basically the Belgian version of a show that I watched called Scam, and they've done Scam France and Scam Italy, and they've done lots of different versions of Scam, and yeah, it's so good. My favourite version is probably Scam France with Alex and Lucas, the new girl, so precious. And then I was just watching some Moblin and Baron fan vids, and I wrote a bit of my journal, did a bit of drawing, and was just listening to the Christmas music channel. And then my dad got back from work and his doctor's checkup and went off to bed. And for my breakfast I had some lemon curd toast and a cup of tea, and was just watching some episodes of Supernatural and listening to a bit of Kylie Minogue, did some drawing and worked on my book on my phone on notes, and then taking my notes to the door a bit, watching stuff on the court I need to watch. And then I stayed in my PJs for most of the morning, and then went off, had a shower, got changed and ready for the rest of the day. And then for my lunch I had some cheese and pickle rolls and a cup of tea, and watched the other wrote a bit of my journal. And then my older brother got back from being at volunteering. He's been doing volunteering at the moment, so he was enjoying that. And my younger brother's girlfriend stays over on Mondays, but she stayed over yesterday night instead, so that she could go to the Christmas lights switch on with him. And then I got myself ready and made my way to the doctor's surgery bus stop outside there and waited for my batchmate and his girlfriend to arrive. And then we waited and our other mate came, and then we made our way up to the high street and saw the lights switch on. It was very nice, very festive, very Christmassy, and had a look around the stalls. I went to go into previous day when I was charged up to see if they've got any dolls in there, because they normally have lots of dolls in there, but unfortunately they didn't. Then I kind of lost them, so I was like, crap, where the hell did they go? Bumped into my older sister who's down with the rugby girls that she plays rugby with, and so had a bit of a chat with them. Then found them again, so I was just with my mates again. We looked around the market a bit, and I got some candy floss. I was going to get some blue candy floss, but sadly just had some something. We got the last one, so I just had to have some pink one. But it's not really all taste the same really. But yeah, so I had a bit of that. Got some little mini donuts, and they smelled so good. Kept them in my pocket, and they kept me nice and warm because it was a little bit nippy out. And then they had some people singing, doing a bit of entertainment and stuff. And I bumped into quite a few people I know, so every few seconds I had to keep stopping and talking to people. And then we went off Costa, and it was literally heaving. There was such a long queue, and I had a 7-Up, so I decided I'm fine with this, it's cold drink. And so they got some hot chocolate, so I waited and sat on the side. Then we just sat on the corner of the table and just chatted, and then my older sister came back, she's called out, and she came out to see me and just checked out I was okay and stuff. We got a photo of me next to this massive Christmas tree that's in the high street that is going over. I think it's bigger every year, and it is really cool. And then I went off to the pub with my mates, and that's when it went a bit crazy. I had about 3 or 4 drinks. I'm not a drinker, so I was a little bit tipsy, and all I can remember is them helping me get home, and I think they got me some chips and a can of cola to try like soak me up a bit. And yeah, I was just spouting nonsense and just being a bit crazy. Got back, and my older sister and brother were talking with my mum in the living room, and my older sister's cat was over, and we thought the cat had got let loose, so I was like, oh my god, freaking out a bit, but he was just behind the sofa. And so I then wrote a bit of my journal, and I finished that off and put that away, probably a little gobbledygook because I was pretty tired by then, and then watched the English soap. And the Balam scenes in last night's episode was so good. Love Balam so much, and I need to get the Heat magazine because it has a magazine article with Max and Tony who play Ben and Callum in it, so I need to try to find that in a shop. Any shop will probably sell anything you do, so I'll probably just have to have a look for that. And then I watched Holby, and there was lots of docu scenes, and unfortunately the one Dom got pregnant lost a baby, and it's heartbreaking for Dom and Lofty and the girl who got pregnant. I can't remember her name, but she was trying to come between Dom and Lofty. I was like, they're married, step off. I mean, I know she's pregnant, but if she wants Lofty in the baby life, she's going to have Dom as well, because they're a package, so you can't have one and not the other. And yeah, so she was being a bit annoying, but I do feel for her losing the baby, and the acting was amazing. Then I watched I'm a Celebrity. I love that show. Lots of people kicking off about the chance because Jackie, who played Lauren in EastEnders, is Telephone Spice, and they made her have a dome thing on her head and spiders in there. And yeah, it was pretty scary, and I wouldn't have wanted to do it, so she was very big for doing that, and she did really well, so well done for you doing that. And yeah, it's always been like that. They've always done quite nasty challenges, but I'm a celebrity. I think they check before anyone get hurt or harmed or anything when they do the challenges, but it's still a bit scary. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And you know, getting near to Christmas when you've got I'm a Celebrity on. My hair is a little bit crazy. I went to bed after that and got up and had a little bit of a headache from last night's drinking and stuff, and so I had some paracetamol and a drink, had some breakfast, had some Marmite taste and a cup of tea, had a shower and feel a lot better. My hair's a little bit crazy. I'm trying to grow it out a bit, so it's probably going to be sticking up a lot. And yeah, I need to get a beard trim soon. I don't want to get a haircut because I'm trying to grow it a bit, because you never know how long you're going to have your hair for, so got to change that. My younger brother and older brother and sister and dad had work. My dad got back and went off to bed. My mum was just watching a bit of TV, I listened to a bit of music, and was just watching a bit of my journal from today, and just posted the photos of me and my mates from the town fair this morning. And yeah, I'm in the Gazette again, well not in the Gazette paper, I'm on the Inform Gazette website, but it might be in the newspaper, who knows. And the photos of me on the end of the race on this like this, but I look pretty good, and my older brother says I look the most normal one there, shaking there. And yeah, I think we all look great, and yeah, it was really good. And I posted a photo of me just next to the tree onto my Instagram, as well as that photo of me and my mates. And yeah, I am now off to go have my lunch and watch the Aussie soaps, and then I'm going to be going to my doctor's appointment. I had one on Monday, but I thought it was Tuesday and Friday, but it was actually Monday and Thursday. But it turns out that I'm not going to be going on Thursday. I'm going this afternoon instead, because the person I normally see isn't very well, so they've had to change the route, so I'm going this afternoon. So yeah, I hope you guys have had a great week. Have a lovely rest of your week, and I shall see you soon. A new vlog coming very soon. Bye.